So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You've got to pimp my ride.
Damn right.
You've got to pimp my ride.
Before I hook everything back up, I had to put in solder connections for the left and right channels to the speakers. You can see those by the red solder joints all along here. The original wire harness did not come with, or I guess there wasn't any stereo RCA cables, so I actually had to use these wires instead. And then what I also had to do is, once I actually found the amplifier, you can see the amplifier here, and there's essentially an additional line I actually had to cut, and this actually goes to the subwoofer in the back. But these are all soldered in, so I'm about to test it right now after I plug everything back in, and we'll see how everything goes.